Hello, I'm Utsa Patel. You've been in a time in which you are told that you have to do something special or extra in order to achieve what you want to achieve. We all have been to that time during high school when we are told that we need to do very good on the SAT or the ACT to be able to get into a college that we wanted. So that raises a question of whether college should find a better way to admit students into college or not. I believe yes, they should find a better way to admit a student. The two main reasons for that would be how they look at one test deciding your college future. The second would be how they look at extracurricular activities, deciding whether you should get admission or not. The first topic of how they use one test to decide your future would be they use SAT or the ACT score to decide whether they should admit you as a student or not. The SAT or the ACT look at the three components of reading, writing, and math. For example, if someone wants to get into a computer science major, it's not highly required to reading and writing. The math component is a required, but they can look at the student's high school transcript to judge whether they should be admitted in the college or not. So this shows how computer science majors or computer science degree majors, the SAT doesn't show the ability that they have. For example, a university in Baltimore have decided to use a two-point method of looking at the high school writing assignment and a 2-minute video rather than the high school transcript according to the New York Times. So that shows that colleges are finding a way to admit a student on the basis of their talent rather than academic performance or one test performance. The second topic of extracurricular activities should not be a required thing. The reason for that would be suppose if someone's taking a very high level classes in high school, like suppose they are taking AP classes or honor classes, uh, they they don't find a time to do extracurricular activities. Therefore, their trans their portfolio of admissions would be weaker in that section, but they will be good in a GPA section or like a higher level classes section. So that would be a thing that um, they might it might affect them whether they should be admitted or not. For example, MIT looks at all the components of your academic performance, extracurricular activities, and work outside your community. So that college doesn't look only at your academic performance, they look all the components. So that should not be a way to judge whether you should be admitted in a college or not. So overall, colleges should find a better way, like the University of Baltimore did, to give admissions to students rather than giving admissions on the basis of one test or extracurricular activities. Thank you.